welcome back to our channel. Thanks for stopping in and visiting us.
We're going to do an unboxing tonight.
Yep.
We have our best friend right here, old girl.
Ziva. She's a helper and a hunter, but now she's just a helper because she's so old. So that brings up our outdoor adventures, Kyle. So what do we have today in our box?
This is a membership to the Gold Prospectors Association of America, the GPAA.
Look at this big box. How exciting.
So this, we got a 2-year membership. They were running a sale, and I also got a first responder discount. So there's a 2-year membership for $100. That's with shipping and handling and everything. So what the membership gives you is access to the claims around the country. I forgot how many there is off the top of my head.
But you can look on their website. And that we should probably mention, we paid for this. Nobody gave it to us. So this is, we bought this. And
with the 2-year membership, it comes with the mining guide. So it's actually a big, thick book.
Is that all in here?
It's all in there.
Then let's open it.
Let's open it then.
Sorry, didn't mean to cut you off, but let's show it. And then we can tell them more. I'm so excited. This is going to be summer and fall trips.
Yep.
So you're going to see us open the box, and then we're going to have some fun adventure videos using our stuff. Check it out.
All right, so we have our actual official membership cards. So here's Kyle McCall, membership paid up till, looks like 2022.
Careful what you tell them.
I know. So thank you for supporting the Gold Prospectors Association of America.
Cute little cards. Okay.
We have looks like a decal for the truck.
Which I suppose is important when you're going into...
Or no, this is the decal for the truck. I don't know what that's for.
Well, it's just another decal. But I would bet, like, you know, when you're going onto their land.
Yeah, probably.
What is it?
Their claims.
Claims, yeah. I don't know. We don't know. We haven't done it yet.
No, we had the membership before, but we never did a single thing with it. We had a 1-year membership a few years ago.
Our kids were, well, more than a few years.
Yep.
Yeah. Our kids were really young, and you know how it is with young kids. Sometimes you just don't get out.
But
and we did.
We got the Gold Prospector magazine that comes with the subscription. And
cool. Look at the little nuggets of gold. Can't wait to find those. Hey, while we're doing this, I mined once when I was little in South Dakota.
What'd you mine?
Sorry. Notice the dogs.
Another
they
dog.
Can't stand it. We mined gold.
Oh, well.
Or panned gold, not mined.
Gold.
Panned gold. Yeah.
So here's the mining guide, and this one is way different than the one I had before. This one is actually in color with pretty good maps and graphs and charts and stuff.
Well,
so
it's like 10 years different.
Yeah, so I'll have to dive into that.
That's a really cool book. Look at that.
Oh.
50th anniversary, by the way. Revised in April of 2020, so
nice,
brand new.
There, she got a hat.
There we go.
Oh, Get Started Prospecting. A DVD. Do we even have a DVD player anymore?
Yeah.
Somewhere.
Get out. We do.
So we'll have that. Oh, we got a patch. Gold Prospectors Association of America, the GPAA.
And this is, I think it's called is it a snuffer bottle?
Sniffer. Snuffer?
I don't know.
Sniffer.
We're not experts yet, so we never will be. But
look, a brand new gold pan.
Golden pan.
See,
Golding pan? Mining pan.
See, you gotta shake it.
Yeah.
You gotta shake the concentrate. You know, we gotta get that black sand away from the gold. You'll use the ripples right there. That's how you separate.
You are so goofy. So this is exciting because, like we said, we bought one more than 10 years ago, and we never got to go.
No.
And Kyle's been watching videos again.
Yep.
And now it's time. You know, our kids are grown and adults, so now it's time for us to go on some trips. Yeah. So sorry about the dogs. And we bring the cameras along on the trips.
Yep.
So now we've got this. We've got some really cool metal detectors.
Yeah.
So it'll be fun to get out, and we can't wait to show you videos. Stay tuned to our channel for more unboxings. We have some other fun stuff coming.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, hit subscribe, like and share. Help us grow. Help us reach more people. Yeah, it'll be fun. Yeah. So we're looking forward to some adventures.
We are. It's way overdue.
And that being said, gold prospecting, gold
Yeah.
panning, gold mining isn't the only treasure that we're going to be hunting for. Let's just say that.
Yeah.
So stay tuned to our channel and see what kind of things Kyle has up his sleeve.
Because you never can tell.
No.
So on that note, we are going to get to watching our video and looking at our book and see where we can get to next.
Check it out. Gold, what is it? Gold Prospectors of America. GPAA.
GPAA.
Check it out. This is just us talking. They didn't give us this, so
Nope.
we think you should check it out.
Yep. Give it a go.
So we'll see you later.
See you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.